Hello friend, myself Revan and today's date is 24 March 22. So our today's video topic is link hash map in Java. Link hash map class is just like hash map with an additional features of maintaining order of element insert into hash map provide the advantage of quick insertion, search and deletion, but uh, never maintain the track of order the insertion with link hash map provide where the element can be accessed in their insertion orders. Important feature of link hash map are um, first one is a link hash map contain uh, link hash map contain value based on the key. It implement the map interface and extend the hash map class. And another it contain only um, it contain only unique element. Now next one is sorry link map how internally work link hash map. A link hash map is an extension of the hash map class, and uh, it's implement the map interface. In this class the data is stored in the form of nodes. The implement of the link hash map is very similar to the double link. uh, Therefore each node of link hash map declaration of link sorry hash map. There is a key, k is the key object and v is the uh, value object type. K the k the type of key in the map, v the types of value map in the map. It implement uh, kv interface and extend hash map class. It may have one null key and multiple null values. It is non-synchronized. It is the same as the hash map with an additional feature that maintain insertion order. For example, when we run the code with hash map and we get different order of element. We discuss some method of link hash map. So our first one is contain value return true if map one or more element to the specified value. And second is uh, get get method return the value to which the specified key is map or null if this empty. uh, Sorry, specify key is map or null if map contain no mapping for the key. Third one is our remove uh, return true if this map should uh, eld, uh, remove element. Applications of hash map. Since since link hash map make use of the double link list to maintain the insertion order, we can implement the code functionally by overriding the memory. The method improve policy of automatically removing element where now mapping are added to the map. Thank you.